Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will understand how to print the views and the reports in Project 2013. Communication is a big part of the project management. In project, you can print user reports to distribute to stakeholders, management, and team members. You can also copy the contents of the project views and the reports to paste into another program. So if you want to print a view, first select it and go to the View tab. Click the bottom half of the Gantt chart and choose the Tracking Gantt. In this case, I have the summary table applied, which is the one that I want to see. The first thing you need to do is drag the divider so you can see all the columns that you want in the table. The other thing is to adjust the time scale to show the date range you want. In this case, I'm going to go to the time scale drop down list and choose the months, and that compresses the schedule. Well, now go to the File tab and click on Print. You can see a preview of the view on the right hand side of the screen. On the left side, you have all the usual settings for printing. So you can choose the printer. You can choose the landscape view here or the portrait orientation. You can choose the size of the paper that you want, and up at the top you can choose the number of copies you want to print. There are few other settings. So for example, if you click this drop down arrow, you can print the entire project from start to finish, or if you can print specific dates or specific pages. We can see here you can also set the dates in the from and to boxes or the pages. You can also set up the printed views by clicking the page setup at the bottom. So for example, I'm going to click the Legend tab here. You see in the preview that this legend takes up quite a bit of the space, and initially it's set to print on every single page. So it's usually a better choice is to select the legend page. That way you have one page with a legend and the rest of the pages are devoted to your project. The View tab here also has a couple of interesting settings. If you turn on the checkbox for the print all sheet columns, then every column in the table will print in the view, or if you choose the next one, print first 3 columns on all the pages. In this case, the ID, task name and the duration would all print on every single page. For this particular report, you might want to do the first 2 columns so that you can see the ID and task name for all the values and things you see on the other pages. Once you have all the settings the way you want, just click the print button. If you want to put a picture of the view in the another program, there is a really easy way to do that. So let's go back to the ribbon, click the Task tab here, and then click the down arrow next to the Copy and choose Copy Picture. That way you can choose what you are going to copy it to. You can specify what you want to see, and you can even choose the time scale. When you click OK, it goes to the clipboard, and then you can paste it into something else like a slide in the PowerPoint. You can also print the graphical reports. To do that, go to the Report tab and run the report you want. For example, I'll go to the dashboards and choose Cost Overview. To print this, just go to the File tab and click Print. The right side shows the preview. So if it looks like what you want, you have got all the usual settings on the left, and if you have got the right printer and the right paper size, just click the print. Just like views, you can also copy the graphical reports to the another program. We will go back to the ribbon and you can see that we have got our graphical report here. In this case, I want to take these two charts on the right hand side and I'm going to put them in the Word document. To do that, I just drag over the element that I want to copy. Say for example, if I want the following chart, I'll right click and say copy here, and I'll go to the Word document and I'll say paste. A few clicks is all it takes to print a view or a report. If you want to include the parts of the view or report in the another file, like a status report, you can do that too. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye-bye.